Dozens of fighter jets are heading towards your battleship. A gunner fires at the enemy planes, but they are highly agile, and your anti-aircraft guns cannot lock onto the targets. After the enemy aircraft approach, they launch torpedoes at your capital ship. Several torpedoes strike, blowing up the ship, but you manage to survive. You are then assigned to command an aircraft carrier powered by heavy fuel oil with a flat flight deck. Observers detect dozens of enemy planes heading your way, so you immediately order your squadron to take off. Due to the limited length of the deck, a high-pressure system using pistons and pulleys is used to accelerate the aircraft. After a short wait, all carrier planes finally launch to engage the approaching enemy. Following a fierce battle, the aircraft run low on ammunition and need to land. However, the tailhook of one plane gets tangled in the safety barrier, causing it to flip over on the deck. The deck becomes blocked, preventing subsequent aircraft from refueling or rearming, allowing enemy planes to break through the defense line and launch torpedoes that tear open your hull. Fortunately, you survive. Next, you command a more advanced carrier with a longer flight deck designed as an independent island. While increasing operational efficiency, it enhances the safety of takeoff and landing. When reconnaissance planes spot incoming enemy groups, you order your aircraft to launch. The high-pressure hydraulic catapult pushes fluid into the piston, accelerating the aircraft to takeoff speed. Your naval aircraft quickly wipe out the enemy. However, with ammunition and fuel running low, the aircraft prepare to land. As they approach, the tailhook catches the arresting cable, and the huge kinetic energy is safely absorbed by the hydraulic system. Because there are multiple arresting wires, the landing success rate is very high. Just as you are coordinating the landings, a new batch of enemy fighters suddenly appears. Since the carrier cannot launch aircraft while others are landing, you are unable to counterattack. Despite desperate maneuvering, the carrier is struck and destroyed. Then, you take command of a new carrier featuring an angled flight deck, allowing simultaneous takeoffs and landings. When radar detects enemy planes, you order a launch. However, due to the heavy weight of the naval aircraft, you must reduce fuel and missile loads to take off safely. Although the planes successfully launch and engage the enemy, they must land frequently due to limited fuel and ammunition, putting our air power at a disadvantage. Eventually, enemy fighters penetrate the defense net and fire missiles, hitting your carrier. You narrowly escape destruction. Later, you command a carrier using a steam catapult, which utilizes steam pressure to propel the pistons. You launch AWACS aircraft first for aerial patrol. Sure enough, enemy planes are detected. As steam enters the catapult cylinder from the boiler, it drives the piston at high speed. The catapult shuttle rushes along the track, and although the massive acceleration stuns the pilots, they are professionally trained and quickly engage the enemy. With your superior numbers and full fuel, you easily destroy the enemy carrier. After the battle, as planes return to land, the arresting gear applies strong resistance to ensure a safe stop. When pilots complain that the arresting force is too strong and uncomfortable, you look for a better solution. Finally, you command a new carrier, equipped with an electromagnetic catapult, which provides more precise and reliable launch power. When you prepare to launch a heavy AWACS, the crew connects the tail to the catapult track. The control system initializes the electromagnetic coils to generate a powerful magnetic field, precisely adjusted to the weight of the aircraft for a safe launch. When the AWACS detects incoming enemies, you order an immediate interception. The system adjusts the current to match the lighter weight of the fighter jets. As the battle progresses, some planes run low on missiles and return to land. The system precisely adjusts the arresting force to ensure a stable stop for each type of aircraft. After rearming and refueling, your forces continue the fight until the enemy retreats in defeat. However, your carrier has traveled far and is running low on fuel, leaving you helpless as the enemy escapes. Realizing you need a solution for long-term operations, you board a nuclear-powered aircraft carrier, enabling unlimited range. You perform a wide maneuver to attack the enemy's rear base. After several days, the base is within reach. You order an immediate strike using low-altitude flight tactics to evade radar. The enemy, completely caught off guard, suffers heavy losses as many planes are destroyed on the ground. You win, but in the distance, several hypersonic missiles are incoming.